Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of flip. You click on settings, then you click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will search about flip app and you click. Here in this page you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on Clear Cache. Here we go to Play Store. You'll search about Flip app and then you will update your app here. If you find updates, so press